Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, kindly subscribe and click on the notification button so that anytime I upload a new video, you will be the first to be notified. On today's episode, I'm gonna be revamping this boring wall in my bedroom. It's actually covered with wallpaper, but I didn't like it, so I just wanted something, different, modern, and beautiful. So if you like to learn how I transform this wall to this, just keep on watching. And just like any other good wallpaper project, it all starts with a wallpaper. So I'm going to be using this beautiful gray wallpaper. The thing I like most about this wallpaper is its smooth and velvety texture. Guys, this wallpaper is so beautiful. It feels just like fabric. So first off, I took off the old wallpaper and I drew a straight line on the wall, which unfortunately is not visible on this video. So what I'm doing right now is applying a wallpaper glue on the wall. And guys, the one thing to note that I learned in this project is the more moisture, the better. Make sure you apply a considerable amount of glue on the wall. That way you have, proper adhesion over the entire surface. So right now I'm going to be applying the wallpaper, and what I'm doing is following that perfect straight line that I drew all the way up and all the way down. That way you can ensure that the installation will be perfectly level. Another very important tool that I'm going to be using is the silicone roller, which gives you the ability to get a better hold and a better adhesion base when pressing down on a surface. And then afterwards, I'm going to go with my plastic taping knife to press the wallpaper and make it adhere to the wall. I'm going to be using a very sharp blade to cut the excess off. Guys, you want to have a perfectly sharp blade for this kind of application, because the cleaner the cut, the more professional it's going to look in the end. So now I'm done with the first panel, and trust me, the first one is always the most hardest in this bunch. So now I'm going to be applying the second part of the wallpaper. And like I said, guys, always apply a generous amount of wallpaper glue. It is very important. And also try as much as possible to stay close to the first wallpaper. That way you can ensure that the installation will be perfectly level. And then afterwards, again, I'm going to go in with my silicone roller and my plastic taping knife. And guys, I am so sorry. I didn't know that at some point my camera went off. It's a new camera, so I'm still learning how to work with it. So please bear with me. Afterwards, I'm going to be cleaning the excess glue on the wallpaper. And just like I said, my camera went off at some point. So right now I'm going to be applying this wall panel around the edges of the wall to make it more smoother. So at this point, I'm going to be applying a montage glue using my glue gun, and then applying the wall panel afterwards. So after applying the wall panel, I'm gonna go in with this gold beautiful tape that I'm just gonna use to make a random design on the wallpaper. Before I started gluing that tape on the wallpaper, I actually made a sketch of the kind of design I would want on the wallpaper, and that's what you're seeing right there on the wall. Then afterwards, I'm gonna go in with a gold metallic glass, kind of like a mirror. It's so beautiful. And just for the record, guys, when you're going to be applying this gold tape on the wall, you might want to first of all draw like a straight line, because it was kind of difficult getting, that perfect straight line. So I would want to advise you guys to first of all draw a straight line before you apply this tape. And here is the finished look, guys. Isn't this beautiful? I love this. And this is the metal glass, like a mirror on the wall. If you enjoyed watching this video, please like and click on the subscribe button. And until I come your way next time, bye. Bye.